lift too. Right here. Better? What is that? All right. Am I prepared to rescue myself? Don't have a gap. This is one of the coolest parts of the hike. You have this massive field of volcanic rock that's everywhere. It just goes up and down as far as you can see from here. Still got a lot of trees left, but this is the part where it starts to clear up. You can start to see the lift up there into the side. Start to really see the whole mountain. Got some dark clouds coming in. So I'm gonna keep plugging along. Try to make it to the top as fast as possible. Now it's really starting to open up. Beautiful blue sky. A couple of darker storm clouds rolling in. We're about, not 3/4 of the way through, but maybe like 0.6 or so the way through. It's a 5-mile hike. We're a little over 3.5. So just gotta keep going. Getting towards the open air with beautiful views. Soon we'll be seeing the inside of the volcano, but right now, looking across all of Arizona. Not quite in that golden season just yet, but a couple of these trees are starting to turn into spots. And again, there's so much of this volcanic rock all along the side of the trail. Made it to 11,400 feet. No more camping allowed. It's about 3.75 miles in, meaning we got a little bit more than a mile to go. And you think you're kind of almost there when you turn around that corner. And then this mountain shows you you're not. There's people way the way up there. You gotta keep going until you get way up there. Now we have a beautiful look at the inner basin, which is where the volcano erupted thousands of years ago. Some beautiful rock formations. This one in particular is pretty cool looking. You see down here is the inner basin. There's a hiking trail, inner basin trail somewhere. Might be a little bit more over there. No camping in this area, but you can ski it during the winter, which is one of the goals this season, to ski this side, since I've only skied this side, which takes you back to Snowbowl. If you go this way, you'll have to get a road way down there and have somebody pick you up. And it's quite a hike to get here, but probably worth it. Looks incredible when it's snow covered. Once again, kind of like, am I almost there? But you still have to keep going. Like I mentioned back there, you just keep kind of hitting these false peaks. And you see all these people still working their way up. Then again, you're still going. Still in this last stretch, but still even have quite a ways to go. Every time you turn a corner and you hit one of these peaks, you're just reminded you got and now we're finally reaching the summit. Humphrey's Peak, the highest point in Arizona. bit chilly to keep me cool. Wind's certainly starting to pick up. We got some clouds rolling in, along with some darker looking clouds. But we're on the way out. We're just gonna take it as fast as possible. Try to get down here. And yeah, a lot of the same scenery on the way back. So we're just gonna get after it. Try to get down before any rain starts coming down, if it decides to start. And just like that, we're back at the beautiful Aspen Meadow. What a beautiful day and a great hike. Didn't end up raining, but recommend getting out there after it early just to avoid any rain or heat. Now that it's cooling off though, the weather was absolutely perfect. You really could not ask for a better day than this.